Nestled amidst the breathtaking landscapes of northern Pakistan lies a valley of unparalleled beauty, the Swat Valley. Often hailed as the Switzerland of the East, Swat captivates the senses with its towering peaks, lush green meadows and sparkling rivers. At the heart of this paradise lies Mingora, the largest city and the vibrant pulse of Swat. This bustling city, surrounded by snow-capped mountains, serves as a gateway to the region's natural wonders and cultural treasures. Mingora is a fascinating blend of old-world charm and modern amenities. The streets are alive with activity, a fusion of traditional bazaars and contemporary shops. The aroma of freshly baked bread and spices fills the air, inviting you to savor the local flavors. But beyond the city's lively atmosphere lies a realm of pristine beauty, waiting to be explored. Prepare to be enchanted as we embark on a journey to uncover the magic of Mingora. From its captivating landscapes and ancient history to its warm hospitality and vibrant culture, Mingora promises an unforgettable experience. Join me as we delve into the heart of Swat Valley and discover the allure that has captivated travelers for centuries. The Swat Valley, carved by the mighty Swat River, is a dramatic landscape of towering peaks and verdant valleys. The river, originating from the glaciers of the Hindu Kush, snakes its way through the valley, its turquoise waters a stark contrast against the emerald-green fields. Mingora, strategically located on the valley floor, is surrounded by imposing mountains that seem to touch the sky. The climate in Mingora is as diverse as its landscape. Summers are pleasantly warm, offering respite from the scorching heat of the plains. The air is fresh and invigorating, ideal for exploring the surrounding hills and valleys. As autumn arrives, the valley transforms into a canvas of vibrant hues. The trees don a spectacular display of reds, oranges and yellows, creating a breathtaking spectacle. Winters in Mingora are mild, with occasional snowfall that blankets the valley in a pristine white. The snow-capped peaks, glistening under the winter sun, create a scene of ethereal beauty. The crisp mountain air and the crackling fire in a traditional stove make for a cozy and unforgettable winter experience. The varying altitudes within the Swat Valley create microclimates, adding to the region's ecological diversity. From the temperate valley floor to the alpine meadows higher up, Swat offers a range of climatic zones, each home to unique flora and fauna. The Swat Valley is a testament to nature's artistry, a place where majestic mountains meet verdant valleys and crystal-clear rivers flow through picturesque landscapes. The region is blessed with an abundance of natural beauty, offering a diverse range of attractions for nature enthusiasts. The Swat River, the lifeline of the valley, is a sight to behold. Its turquoise waters, fed by glaciers and snowmelt, flow gracefully through the valley, reflecting the surrounding mountains like a shimmering mirror. A leisurely stroll along the riverbanks, listening to the gentle gurgling of the water, is a truly rejuvenating experience. Towering above the valley floor are the majestic mountains of the Hindu Kush range, their snow-capped peaks piercing the sky. These mountains are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a paradise for adventure seekers. Trekking trails wind their way through dense forests and alpine meadows, leading to breathtaking viewpoints and hidden waterfalls. The valley is dotted with lush green meadows, carpeted with wildflowers in spring. These meadows, surrounded by towering peaks, offer idyllic spots for picnics and camping. The air is fresh and invigorating, filled with the scent of pine and wildflowers. Mingora serves as the perfect base for exploring the many tourist attractions that dot the Swat Valley. Each destination promises a unique experience, from skiing down snowy slopes to the tranquility of ancient Buddhist sites. No trip to Swat is complete without visiting Malam Jabba. This hill station transforms into a winter wonderland during the snowy months. Malam Jabba boasts Pakistan's only ski resort, attracting skiers and snowboarders. Even in summer, Malam Jabba offers breathtaking views. For a peaceful escape, Fizagat Park is a must-visit. Located just a short drive from Mingora, this park offers stunning valley views. Stroll through gardens, enjoy a picnic by the waterfall, or relax in nature. A short distance from Mingora lies the enchanting Kalam Valley. Surrounded by peaks, meadows and forests, Kalam offers hiking opportunities. Visit Mahodand Lake and marvel at its crystal-clear waters. These are just a few of the many tourist gems in and around Mingora. Whether you seek adventure, tranquility, or history, Swat has something for every traveler. The Swat Valley, with its diverse ecosystems, is a haven for a rich variety of flora and fauna. From the snow-capped peaks to the verdant valleys, the region supports a remarkable tapestry of life. The higher reaches are home to snow leopards, Himalayan brown bears, and markhors. Lower down you might see musk deer, barking deer, and clouded leopards. Birdwatchers will find a colorful array of avian species. Look out for Himalayan monal pheasants, lammergeiers and colorful finches. The flora of Swat is as diverse as its wildlife. Pine, deodar and fir trees dominate the higher slopes. Lower down oak, walnut and maple trees thrive. The valley floor is carpeted with wildflowers in spring. The Swat River supports a variety of fish species, including trout. The riverine forest provides shelter to birds and mammals. The Swat Valley holds within its embrace a rich tapestry of history, its lands having witnessed the rise and fall of empires and the ebb and flow of civilizations. The region's strategic location at the crossroads of ancient trade routes has shaped its destiny, leaving behind a legacy of archaeological wonders and cultural treasures. Swat was once the cradle of Gandhara civilization, known for its distinctive art and architecture that blended Greek, Roman and Indian influences. The region is dotted with ancient Buddhist stupas, monasteries and rock carvings, remnants of a time when Buddhism flourished in this part of the world. One of the most impressive archaeological sites in Swat is the Butkara Stupa, located near Mingora. This ancient stupa, dating back to the 2nd century BC, was once a major center of Buddhist learning. Explore the ruins adorned with intricate carvings and sculptures and imagine the grandeur of a bygone era. Beyond its Buddhist heritage, Swat is also home to numerous Sufi shrines revered by the local population. These shrines, often located in picturesque settings, are a testament to the region's strong spiritual traditions. Visit the shrine of the Sufi saint Pir Baba, perched on a hilltop overlooking Mingora, and experience the tranquility and serenity that pervade these sacred spaces. Mingora, the economic nerve center of Swat Valley, pulses with a vibrant energy fueled by agriculture, tourism, and a growing entrepreneurial spirit. The city's bustling bazaars, traditional workshops, and modern commercial centers reflect its economic dynamism. Agriculture forms the backbone of Swat's economy, with the fertile valley floor yielding a bounty of fruits, vegetables, and grains. The region is renowned for its juicy peaches, pears, and apricots, which find their way to markets across Pakistan. The aroma of freshly picked fruits fills the air during harvest season, a sensory delight for locals and visitors alike. Tourism, although impacted by past events, is once again flourishing in Swat, injecting vital revenue into the local economy. The influx of tourists during the peak seasons creates employment opportunities in hospitality, transportation, and related sectors. Mingora's bazaars are a microcosm of the city's economic activity. Stroll through the labyrinthine lanes where the air is filled with the aroma of spices, fresh bread, and traditional sweets. Here you can find everything from handcrafted souvenirs and traditional Pashtun clothing to fresh produce and everyday essentials. The city is also witnessing a growth in small and medium-sized enterprises, driven by a young and entrepreneurial population. From handicrafts and textiles to tourism-related services and technology-based ventures, Mingora's economy is diversifying, creating new opportunities for its residents. The true heart of Swat Valley lies in its people, the Pashtuns. Known for their warm hospitality, unwavering resilience, and deep-rooted traditions, the Pashtuns are an integral part of what makes this region so special. Step into a local home in Mingora and you'll be greeted with open arms and a generosity that knows no bounds. The Pashtuns believe in the ancient code of Pashtunwali, which emphasizes hospitality, honor, courage, and justice. Guests are treated with the utmost respect and offered the best of what the host has to offer. Traditional music and dance are an integral part of Pashtun culture. The rhythmic beat of the atan, a traditional dance performed by men in a circle, is a sight to behold. The soulful melodies of the rubab, a traditional stringed instrument, will transport you to another world. The women of Swat are known for their exquisite embroidery skills. Intricately embroidered shawls, dresses, and wall hangings bursting with colors and traditional motifs are a testament to their craftsmanship. These handicrafts are not just beautiful works of art, but also a source of income for many families in the region. A visit to Swat is incomplete without experiencing the warmth and hospitality of its people. Engage in conversations with locals, learn about their customs and traditions, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Mingora, the heart of Swat Valley, is a destination that will stay with you long after you've bid farewell to its enchanting landscapes and welcoming people. It's a place where natural beauty, cultural richness, and a spirit of resilience converge to create an experience that is both humbling and inspiring. Whether you're seeking adventure in the towering peaks, tranquility by the gurgling rivers, a glimpse into ancient history, or simply a chance to connect with warm and hospitable people, Mingora has something to offer every traveler. So pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and embark on a journey to discover the magic of Mingora, the heart of Swat Valley. As the sun sets over the valley, casting a warm glow on the snow-capped peaks, take a moment to reflect on the beauty and resilience of this extraordinary place. Mingora, with its captivating charm and enduring spirit, beckons you to return and create more cherished memories amidst its breathtaking landscapes and welcoming embrace.